came to Digi about 3 years ago. We were looking to be more efficient. We were looking to be more, really efficient in terms of scaling, because we were getting ready for a growth phase. And given a very compact campus, Digi was very instrumental for us in making sure that all our extra paperwork and all of those processes moved to technology. We are using Digi for almost everything, from the time a person enters our campus to the time the student goes into the classroom, come out, they go to the cafeteria. Our plan is to completely use a digital transformation capability of Digi to transform all of those aspects. Where it's really made an impact, where we found Digi very useful, is as a platform, the flexibility. We're a 30-year-old institution, so we're very proud of our processes. But looking at what Digi does, the power of Digi, we have been very happy that there are a lot of best fit practices that we've been able to pick up, or we've been able to collaboratively work with Digi to customize those for us. And I think that's really been very useful. I think the biggest trend that's going to come is going to be just more skill-based education. And when I say skill-based, actually let me backtrack, say more experiential-based education in higher education. So how ready are we going to be able to make our students to do what they have to do once they graduate from these programs? So what kind of internships, what kind of live projects, what kind of work placements, etc. are we able to give them, even in the classroom, in terms of how you be using simulations, how we're using case studies, what real world exposure can we give them while they're still doing their education that prepares them to hit the ground. And I think the trend that will come is maybe people won't care so much about certificates and degrees and diplomas, and it will really be about the kind of outcomes we are able to create, and on a more longer term, the kind of impact we're able to create for people. I think it's going to cut time and bring efficiency for a lot of our instructors, teachers. I love the idea that students can now practice. So a lot of practice questions can come out. If you see that, in education, that's a big thing for students who are, I want more practice. Where do I find more practice sheets? I think Digi AI is going to do that for them. For our faculty, it's going to cut time. I think it would be extremely useful to have that. The certifications will bring a layer of formality, while we as an institution that's embedding Digi into our processes and systems, we do talk to people about, our faculty, our staff members, our IT departments, on the importance of using it. I think the certifications will really work well, because we're still a country where the piece of paper, the certificate holds a lot of value for the individual, but also as institutions, we know that people have gone through a structured training, they've gone through all the modules that they should be to implement what they're implementing, or even to bring a better thought to the way it's being done. So I think that's a wonderful idea. Superbly excited. Like I said, it can be a game changer for us